Hello and Namaskar, welcome to the & Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy and tasty rice kheer recipe. So let's get started. In a bowl, we are going to take 1/4 cup of rice and add into it 250 ml of milk and keep it aside. We are going to let the rice soak in the milk for about half an hour and then transfer it into a mixture jar. I'll set for 5 to 10 seconds so that it's coarse in texture but not all the way done. Now in a pan set on low-medium heat, we are going to be adding in the mixture along with another 250 ml of milk. Give it a good stir. And now we will add in some strands of saffron by crushing it in between your hands. Adding in the saffron in this step and letting it cook along with the milk gives our kheer a very beautiful color and fragrance. Cook it at a medium flame and keep stirring to avoid the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now add into it half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it thoroughly to avoid any lumps. We are going to keep stirring and cooking till the rice is completely done and the milk thickens up. Now that the rice is completely cooked, we are going to be adding into it the sugar. Make sure to add in the sugar only when the rice is completely cooked, as the sugar prevents the rice from cooking further. I'll be adding in half a cup of sugar, but you can adjust your sugar according to your taste. Giving it a good mix, you'll see that the milk has become a little bit watery, but not to worry at all. We're going to keep stirring and the milk will thicken up eventually. While keeping an eye on our kheer and continuously stirring it, in a separate pan, we're going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of butter. Add in 5 to 7 chopped almonds and 5 to 7 chopped cashew. Fry the nuts in the butter till they're golden brown. You can also use ghee instead of butter. While our nuts are done frying, you can see that our kheer has thickened up and it's ready. We'll now be adding into our kheer the fried nuts. Give it all a very good mix and let it cool down a little. And our yummy and tasty rice kheer recipe is ready. Serve it warm as a prasad or as a dessert. Enjoy! If you like our recipes, do care to like and subscribe. Thank you.